Today I am going to teach you about the Fourier series. What is Fourier series? It is used to define any periodic function as a linear combination of sines and cosines of the same variable in an interval between minus pi to plus pi. Let if fx be a periodic function, then fx is equal to a0 plus a1 cos x plus a2 cos 2x plus an up to an cos n x plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin 1 means in terms of sines. So collectively it can be written as a0 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n x plus n is equal to 1 to infinity bn cos n x, and this is known as the Fourier series. And a0, an and bn are known as the Fourier coefficients. Fourier coefficients. Now the question is how to determine. So let us determine now the Fourier coefficients. Determine or determination of the Fourier coefficients. a0, b, an and bn. Determination of these. How we can determine? Let us first a0. Let us first determine a0. For this what we do? For this we multiply the equation 1 we integrate the equation 1 in the limits of minus pi to plus pi both sides, and we get what we will get. Minus pi to plus pi in the LHS there is fx, so fx dx is equal to minus pi to plus pi a naught dx. With respect to dx we are integrating with respect to x, plus minus pi to plus pi summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx dx plus summation of minus pi integration minus pi to plus pi, and the summation n is equal to 1 to infinity again bn sin nx dx. Now we change the paper. See, here after integration what we get? a0 minus pi to plus pi dx plus the integration is integration of an cos nx dx, and we know that the integration of cos x or cos nx, cos 1x 2x, so integration of cosine and sine in terms of dx is 0. So this is 0, cos and the sine terms are also 0, because integration of sin x and cosine x with respect to x is 0. So what we get? a0 integration here is x minus pi to plus pi, and this gives you nothing but a0 into 2 pi. This is equation number 2. So now we can write a0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. In the left hand side it was minus pi to plus pi fx dx. This is equation number 3. So if we change it, so in generalized form, we can write a0 is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to plus pi fn dn. This can be written as the equation number 4. Now let us find an, another Fourier coefficients an. For this, we multiply both sides of equation 1. Equation 1 was what? Fx is equal to a naught plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an sin nx plus similarly bn sin nx, bn cos nx summation and n is equal to 1 to infinity. So now multiplying both sides of equation 1 by cos nx and then integrating between minus pi to plus pi. See, so it gives you minus pi to plus pi fx cos nx dx is equal to an minus pi to plus pi cos nx, and cos nx will give you cos square nx dx. And initially I told you that integration of this, so the first term was a0 cos nx, when it will multiplied and then integrated it will be 0. So the first term is 0 and the second term is like this cos square nx, and the third term is again integration of minus pi bn to plus pi sin nx and cos nx dx. So it is the multiplication of sine and cos. So we can write 1 by 2 if you will, it is half of sine 2nx, half of sine 2nx, and again it is in terms of sine, so it will also come down to 0. So we have only an minus pi to plus pi cos square nx dx, and this can be written as an by 2 minus pi 2 plus pi 2 cos square, it will be 2 cos square nx, and that is 1 plus cos 2 nx dx. So again when we will integrate it, we will get only an by 2 minus pi 2 plus pi dx and plus an by 2 minus pi 2 plus pi cos 2 nx dx, and that will be 0 again. It will be again 0. So the finally what we get, this is nothing but an by 2 into 2 pi, and this implies an is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi fx cos nx dx. This is equation number 5, and in generalized form we can write an is equal to 1 by pi minus pi 2 plus pi fw cos nw dw. Similarly, we can find the value of Bn by multiplying equation 1 both sides by sin nx and then integrating with respect to x from the limits minus pi to plus pi, and we get similarly Bn is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi fx sin nx dx. In generalized form, Bn is equal